Dangerous Truth, Lesson 2. The background check, blind spot. Think that friendly person you found online is trustworthy. You're about to hand your house keys to someone whose background you know nothing about. That nice cleaner from Craigslist could have theft convictions, drug problems, or worse, and you have zero way to verify their history. Most independent cleaners skip background checks entirely. Even when they claim to be bonded, they can't show proof or explain what it actually covers. You're gambling your family's safety on someone who was never screened. Here's what separates Made Perfect from everyone else. Every single cleaner undergoes comprehensive background verification, professional reference checks, and carries real bonding for theft protection. We don't just talk about safety, we prove it with documentation. But here's the really dangerous part. When problems happen with unscreened cleaners, you have zero recourse. No company backing them, no insurance to cover damages, no accountability whatsoever. You're completely on your own. At Made Perfect, we carry over $1.5 million in insurance coverage. If anything goes wrong, you're fully protected. Our cleaners are licensed business owners with real stakes in their reputation, not random people looking for quick cash. Your home is your sanctuary. Your family's safety isn't negotiable. Don't risk everything on someone you can't verify. Ready for real peace of mind? Book your clean online with Made Perfect today and discover why thousands of families trust only us with their home security.